Understanding Human Nature by Alfred Adler was written in 1927. What we think we lack determines what we become in life. It is the feeling of inferiority, inadequacy, and insecurity that determines the goal of an individual existence. One motive is common to all form of vanity. The vain individual has created a goal that cannot be attained in this life. He wants to be more important and successful than anyone else in the world. And this goal is the direct result of his feeling of inadequacy. Like Freud, Adler believed that the human psyche is shaped in early childhood and that patterns of behavior remain remarkably constant into maturity. Freud believed human beings to be wholly driven by the strings of the unconscious mind. But Adler saw us as social beings who create a style of life in response to the environment and to what we lack. A main idea in Adler psychology is that individuals are always striving towards a goal, whereas Freud saw us as driven by what was in our past. Adler had a teleological view that was driven by our goals, whether they are conscious or not. The author wrote, "The hardest thing for human beings to do is to know themselves and to change themselves."